Hi, today in front of me Realme Pod Mini, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. Open first the control panel and you will see here all of the visible options. If you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, click here to this edit button. And to add these invisible options, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section by this way. But if you want to remove some of them from here, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the down section. Or to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it. Then click to go back to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.